Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook and comment. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Open your Facebook mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. Then find a post on what you want to tag someone in the comments. I'll tag someone right here. So I'll go to the comments section. The first step is to enter in that sign and start writing the name of the friend or family member which you want to tag. Keep in mind that you can also tag different Facebook pages, just type in their name. When you type the name, a couple of different suggestions will pop up. So just select the person which you want to tag, you can then write something. That's it. When we post the comment, the name of the person will be blue. When someone clicks on their name, it will open the specific Facebook profile. And that's how we can easily tag someone on Facebook in the comment section. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.